Hello and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 6. Today we're going to be using multiplication to find our combinations. Now, last lesson we used tables to find combinations, but this time we're going to notice, hey, we could have just multiplied. We don't have to write out these big fancy tables. So it says when you make a combination, you make a new set that has one item from each group of items. So like when we're multiplying, typically we think of it as we have the same groups, right? But when we have a combination, it's like I could wear blue pants and a black shirt. I could wear blue pants and a red shirt. I could wear tan pants and a black shirt, tan pants and a red shirt, right? So that would be 4 outfit combinations that I could have. So we're going to study combinations today. Let's get started. All right, let's look at example 1 here. Amos's team has 3 jersey colors: green, red, and yellow. Green, red, and yellow. Notice we've got green, red, yellow. They can wear orange or black shorts. Find all of the jersey and short combinations for the team. Okay, so we could have orange, black, orange, black, orange, black. So we could draw a picture or we could do a table. So here we go. So the jersey colors: green, green, red, red, yellow, yellow. So there are 6 options for jersey colors with your orange, black, orange, black. Orange, black, orange, black. So we could have red, orange, red, black. Yellow, orange, yellow, black. Okay, so if we look at all of the combinations, we would have 6 combinations, wouldn't we? So you could wear green jersey, orange shorts, green jersey, black shorts, red, orange, red, black, yellow, orange, yellow, black. That is 6 combinations. So let's see here. We've got 2 short combinations, orange or black, and 3 jersey colors: red, green, and yellow. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So there are 6 jersey and shorts combinations that are possible. Okay, let's look at this guy. So another way, instead of a table, is that you could do a tree diagram. And it uses branches to show all the possible combinations. So let's give this a try. So what are all the possible fruit combinations, sorbet combinations, if you choose one flavor and one fruit to add in? So we're doing one flavor, one fruit. So our flavors are mango, strawberry, vanilla. And our fruits are banana, berries, peach. Okay, so we could do mango, banana. Notice how I just followed. Mango, banana would be mango, banana. Mango, berries, mango, berries. Mango, peach, mango, peach. Okay. Strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana. Strawberry, berries, strawberry, berries. Strawberry, peach, strawberry, peach. Hope you guys can't hear that siren going off in the background. First Wednesday of the month. All right, then we have vanilla banana. Vanilla berries. And vanilla peach. So if we're going to look at how many combinations we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 3 flavors times 3 fruits, 3 groups of 3, which is what we showed up here, right? 1, 2, 3 groups and 3 of each. So that means 3 times 3 is 9 fruit sorbet combinations. So there are 9 possible fruit sorbet combinations. Okay, so here it says refer to example 2. How would the possible number of combinations change if one more flavor was added? Okay, let me pull that up quick. Okay, I pulled it over here. So if instead of 3 flavors, what if we had 4 flavors? Well, that would just give us one more group of 3, right? So we could do 4 flavors times 3 fruit, and that would equal, add 3 to our 9, that would, 4 times 3 is 12. I guess we could have written it down here. 4 times 3 is 12. So now there are 12 different fruit sorbet combinations. Practice. Diana can take, this is from the homework. Diana can take 1 pencil and 1 eraser to school. Her choices are shown. How many different pencil and eraser combinations are there? Okay, well, let's look here. We've got yellow. So she could take yellow heart, yellow heart, yellow star, yellow star, yellow square, yellow square. Okay, what's going to go here? Well, I'm going to look at my combinations and I see blue, blue, blue. So I know that blue is her second pencil color choice, blue pencil. So she could have blue heart, blue, what's the second one? We got 2 spots, well 3 spots I could look at, but I know that the second one up here is star, and I see star in the answer, so I know that this is star. Blue star, blue star. Blue square, blue square. Okay, so this is showing we have 2 pencil colors, and I'm going to multiply it by 3 eraser shapes, right? Because there's 3 shapes, and we're just doubling it, so we're having 2 groups of 3, and so that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 combinations. Okay, oh yes, the vocabulary page. We love vocabulary. So let's look here. Write the correct vocabulary words in each space to complete the sentence. Each branch of a tree diagram shows a possible combination. This is the back page of your homework, by the way. Combination of items. All right, that's all I've got for you today. I think these are so fun, so I hope you're having fun too. We'll talk to you later. Bye.